Hello, my name is Foster Hall, and I'm from Cherokee County, and I'm a Texas 4-H livestock ambassador. One thing that the kids coming to East Texas Showstar Series get, I think that they get a lot out of the teaching from the people who've been doing this a long time. I think it's a great deal because they're able to learn a lot that sometimes maybe inexperienced ag teachers or 4-H leaders might not be able to tell them, and to be able to come here and learn how to show better, and it's just tremendous value for young exhibitors trying to learn how to show better.
I'm Jack Tyler.
And where are you from?
I am from Henderson County. I brought a steer, and his name's Taco.
Here at the East Texas Showstar Series, kids or youth showing livestock projects learn a variety of different skills and traits and things that they will need in the show ring, as well as taking care of animal at home.
So what are some things on the feed tag that we do look at?
Here at the Showstar Series, they learn various things about showmanship skills, skills they'll need in the ring with their project. Also, they learn about nutrition aspects in their project, as well as animal selection, among various other things.
My favorite part has been learning how to show Taco and showing him.
And I like the East Texas Showstar Series because as a parent, I feel like the kids they gain a lot of self-confidence.
The East Texas Showstar Series is almost 10 years old. We started this as just a phenomenal opportunity to provide kids a chance to both learn about their livestock projects and to practice in the show ring under real circumstances, under real judges.
We're learning about the feed program as he's new to this. It's his second year at Junior FFA, and just the responsibility of the show animals.
You got to look at them at the ground and figure out, are they wide enough constructed to start with?
In this two-day event at the East Texas Showstar Series, we want kids to know how to be able to care for their livestock animals, to be able to know how to prepare them for showmanship, and understand that this is a market project that will be a part of the food chain. Day 2 of the event, we provide them with 2 show rings with 2 judges where they receive different awards, and up to, if you're the top animal in your division, a $500 scholarship.
Aside from the educational sessions and jackpot show, the 2018 East Texas Showstar Series featured a Barnyard Olympics that invited kids to play barnyard-themed games in an effort to boost camaraderie and sportsmanship. The 2018 East Texas Showstar Series was brought to you by the Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service of District 5, and we'd like to say thank you to all of the industry experts who donated their time, parents and ag teachers who drove their kids to this event, and especially our sponsors who believe in our mission of education and service. For more information about the East Texas Showstar Series, visit agrilife.org/ETSSS.